we have some rubbing issues here. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And a lot of you guys ask questions if the tires are rubbing. So I figured I'd go ahead and do a trail ride video aftermath, sort of, let you know how the tires did. Overall, I think the tires did really good. The only thing is when the steering wheel is fully locked one way and we're on an incline or decline or whatever, and the shock's articulated, it's rubbing right here. So you guys can come in here, show you right here. So there's where it's rubbing. So the only way to fix that is one subscriber suggested that he's heard that you can heat that up and maybe push it in a little bit. I'm not sure I want to do that. Another thing is, like we ran into with the Ranger, is to get front forward A-arms. So I think there's only two companies that make them for the 64-inch model, Catvos and I think PATV, something like that. Can't remember the exact name. They're not cheap. You're looking, you know, anywhere between $1,200 to $1,500 depending on what you want to do with powder coating and stuff like that. So I'm not sure what we're going to do. I don't know if I want to spend the money for that or just deal with the little rub. I'm not sure yet. Another thing is, if you purchase one of those sets of Ford A-arms, they don't have a hookup for the sway bar. So the front sway bar would have to be disconnected at all times because there's no hookup for that. So that's another thing. And then of course another thing is getting a smaller tire. But I really think that these 32s work really good on this unit just for that little bit of rub. So I'm not sure I want to do that either. So we're at a catch-22. Kind of same problem we ran into with the Ranger. But I wanted to let you guys know that they do rub on both sides. Same thing over here. Right there. So a little bit of disappointed in that. Again, you know, you read all these forums and stuff like that saying 32s will work. They ain't gonna rub. They rub. Another thing I wanted to show you guys is back here, we never got to show you what we did about this latch right here. Okay, and again, thanks to one of my subscribers, he let me know that you see how these are snapping down. Well, these just pop off, so we were going to leave these unsnapped. But here you can just switch them and turn them upside down. So now you got all four latches working. So that makes me feel a lot better now. The stuff's going to be more secure in here. I got four latches actually locking it down. And then as you guys can see, we added some stuff in here. Strap, duct tape, shackles, little shovel, tire plug kit, saw, flashlight, pump, socket set, and then we got some slime too. So I wanted to show you guys that, and a knife. So this now snaps all four. So I wanted to let you guys know about that. And it's pretty secure, so I'm pretty happy with that. Other than that, there are no rubbing issues on the back at all. So that's a good news. No issues at all on the back. So then this last thing we picked up when we were in the trails, they give you this little map. And it's like real small, and we really didn't know where we were at, and so what we wanted to do is we wanted to get a mount. So this is going to be mounted right in the center there, and then we're going to be able to we're going to be able to put our iPad in here or our Surface or whatever, and then we can do our GPS so we know where we are at on the trails. Especially when we want to go down to Hatfield, McCoy's, you know, we want to go down to some of them Kentucky off-road parks, Rush and Brimstone, stuff like that. You know, this is a good thing to have, so you're not lost. And then the iPad just kind of fits right in there. I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and install this real quick. It's just 4 screws, it's real simple. And from the factory, they're already pre-drilled. It's like little dimples. You guys can see. So there's two screws here. 1, 2, and then there's 2 screws up here. So basically, and then we put this weather stripping. It's not a total seal fit, you know what I mean? You're still going to get some water in there, but I think that's going to help out. And then you have like a little cubby hole, and then you still have access to your 12 volt. So basically, you just get these 4 screws, and they go right up here. Put one there. And one there. We'll just tighten these down. That. I don't want to strip the plastic, so you want to go real light. Yeah. And then you just got the 2 screws in the front here. Real simple job, and there's a ton of videos out on it already, so that wasn't the purpose of this video. But gotta line that hole up. Not much room in here. There we go. All right. There we go. You guys can see, and then loosen this here, and this adjust for your tablet, and then you see you have like a little bit of storage in there. Plus you still get your 12 volt. It goes like that, and then have our iPad here. We'll probably get some type of protective case for this. And that's just gonna sit down in there, and then you tighten this back up. And there you go. Oh. Anyways, that's what it's going to look like. Let's see here. There we go. And then we'll be able to put our app on here. Either we're going to go Lifetime Trail Maps or some type of other GPS thing. But now, when we're riding, and we'll do a video on that, which one we pick, you'll see all the trails right here. So you're not going to get lost. Thought that was pretty cool. They do make them waterproof. So if you want to get a Surface and make sure it's waterproof, you can do that. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this iPad or if I'm going to use a Surface, but we'll go from there. But thought that was pretty cool. And you still have a cubby space. So that's more storage. And you're good to go. So that's that. You guys saw how easy that was to install. Other than that, I think that's about it for this video. Wanted to share that with you guys. Some of you guys that have X3s, comment down below. Let me know, what did you guys do? Did you put forward A arms on? Did you go smaller tire? What did you guys actually do? Kind of let me know, and then we'll make a decision and we'll go from there. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to the channel and like this kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you guys don't miss another video when we upload. And follow us on Instagram. Please like the video, share the video as much as you can. And with that said, I'll see you on the next one.